The Silentsystem 3-channel RX-705 in-ear receivers deliver high performance thanks to their extended battery life, lightweight design, and exceptional audio quality. They are equipped with simple and essential controls, which we've summarized for you in this video tutorial. Press the power button on the front of the device to turn the receiver on and off. On the top of the device, you can manage the selector for the 3 different channels, adjust the volume via the potentiometer wheel, and connect your headphones through the 3.5mm jack input. That same 3.5mm input is also used for charging the device. The RX-705 receivers are ideal for a wide range of applications, including concerts and recording studios, conferences and meetings, education and teaching, museums and guided tours.